Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of fixing T-Mobile app login errors. So you have few things that you can do in order to fix the login error. So let's get started and find out what can be done in order to fix those errors. The first thing that you can do is uninstall the T-Mobile app from your device and then reinstall it. If the app is still not working or if you are still facing login error, the second thing that you can do is switch off your phone and then switch it back on. The next thing that you can do is go to your settings and then search for T-Mobile app. After going to the app, you can clear app cache on next launch. To do so, toggle this button on and then you might be able to fix the login error. So these are a few things that you can do in order to fix your login errors. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.